What to do? It's your boy Codehova with Fly Combinator. We're pimping Swift. We're going to talk about reference types, objects, object identities, all right? So we have the class here that we worked on in our previous example where we have Codehova 1, which is a hustler type, instance of a hustler type. And we're going to make Codehova 1 equal into Codehova 2. So they're both holding the same reference, all right? So let's just get rid of this example because we already illustrated the fact that they're both holding the same address. Their data is held in the same address. So you edit one, when you call out both of the names, they're going to be the exact same. They're both going to have the same change because they are the same object. So let's say Codehova 1.name equal to Codehova 2.name. So if we run this, we're going to get true, all right? So with class instances of class objects, we could also compare the objects' identities, their addresses, where they're stored in memory. So it could be Codehova 1 equal, triple equals to Codehova 2. And if we run this, we also get true because they're held, these values, the data for Codehova 1 and Codehova 2 are stored in the same address in memory. So let's create a new Codehova, all right? Codehova, let's call it fake Codehova, all right? Because this is just a hustler who's faking the funk and he wants to also call himself Codehova. So if we do this test of Codehova 1.name equal to fake Codehova .name, what do we get? We're going to get true too. So it's like, damn, this fool can front like it's me when it's not me. So that's when we deal with something like Codehova 1 triple equals to fake Codehova. There we go. It's not where you're from, man. It's where you at. And fake Codehova is not from the original main source. So that's how you could check to see if a class object is identical to another. So we could tell that Codehova 1 and Codehova 2, there's just one reference. And that one reference is leading to one source. And we created a new hustler object and we placed it into the variable fake Codehova. So this object and this object, the data is stored in different places. So that's when we would we use a triple equal sign to check on an address of variables or a constant's address in memory. All right, it's your boy Codehova. We're pimping Swift. Let's get it.